All right, there it is, my friends. I got it laid out on the floor here. Looks pretty legit. There's some weird fuzzy stuff on it, but I mean, you can see where all the cutouts are supposed to be, where that rail goes across the floor and the seat mounts right here. Yeah, we'll have to get this going. It looks really good, feels nice. Really excited to get that in there. It's also got this stock padding on the bottom that the OEM carpet had as well. Okay, I think I'm about ready to make my first cut here. I got it laid out. They said to do it front to back, like fold it over here. But I think it's easier to do it like this because you can really see where this goes, and there's a little thing right here for the back of the seat. But I think I'm gonna cut a slit for the e-brake right there. I'm gonna think about it a little more to make sure I don't mess this up. But yeah, fits really good so far. I mean, it has that little dimple there. This fits really good. Very exciting. Okay, first cut was successful. Took about that much out for the e-brake. You can use these guys right here to line it up. That worked pretty well. You can see it on that side as well. Shifter's gonna be a little bit more complicated than that. I'm not really sure how I'm gonna do it yet. Update number 5, it's laid down pretty good. I need to pull it a little bit more that way. Got about 2 inches of overhang from that seam on this side, and a little bit less on this side. Not sure if I need to move that e-brake thing. I mean, that's fine though, because that trim piece covers it actually. And this is good. Yeah, that's pretty good. There's a ton of excess up here, which I think I saw someone online. I think it might have been Justin. He said that in his video. Same experience for me, but I guess you'd rather give you too much than enough. I'd like to see a little more on the side, but whatever. All right, y'all, we're making progress here. I got the shifter area cut out, as well as the footwells decently. Still, that corner needs to be trimmed a little bit. Also probably take some more off of it. Maybe not. I'll just leave the extra stuff back there because no one cares. Getting pretty close to putting holes in for seats and stuff like that. Okay guys, I got everything laid out pretty good. I got all of the footwells cut up into the corners. Then you can see I'm gonna cut a little fold there so it sits nicely underneath the trim. I think I'm gonna start putting holes for the seats and maybe install that center trim right now. Yeah, it's coming along good. Oh yeah. Bougie. I need those new pedals, new pedal covers at least. Okay, got the center console in. That was pretty easy. I also got the holes for the driver's seat, mostly legible here. It's kind of gonna be hard if I'm being honest. Yeah, very happy with how this looks. Okay, it's really been a while. Got the passenger, the driver's seat in, the little levers here, as well as this trim piece. I didn't get this as tight as I wanted to get it, but I think it's good enough. Definitely can't tell if you didn't know that you did it. All we got to do is the passenger side stuff. This is quite tedious process. Definitely recommend giving yourself a few hours for this. I think I've been going for 3 hours basically. Almost done. Probably 4.5 hour job, 4 hour job, all said and done if I had to put a time on it. Okay, as you can see, we got it fully installed. Pretty good. A little rough in some spots. Not by rough, I mean it's not perfect. I mean, I just didn't get that tucked in perfect as well. It doesn't have the OEM plastic piece that runs in there, so you can't really do it perfect, but it's really cleaned it up in there. Goes great with the SI interior. Back seats look great as well. You can see it's a little saggy and over there as well, but not a big deal. Overall, I'm definitely really happy with this. I would say I'm happy with my purchase, but I would have rather not purchased a new carpet. But yeah, it's just this guy right here. Automotive custom carpets. I got this on Amazon. It was like 180 bucks or something shipped. I would recommend. Also, just to show you my my trunk setup here, I guess you want to call it. I just got some carpet from Home Depot. And traced it out, put it in there. It kind of reduced the sound, and it's way cleaner than the crusty stock carpet that was in there before. This is the aftermath. Quite a bit of trimmings to clean up. Took me 5 hours-ish. Took a break in there at some point, but 5 hours I think would be plenty. Maybe a little longer if you were a little bit more anal than I am. If you guys have any questions about the installation or anything else on my channel, please let me know. I think I'm gonna wrap it up here. Thank you.